Morning guys, it's 9:01 a.m. Central European time, 17th of July. Looking at a daily, we are still bearish if we look at the swing structure, broke structure here. So this is our bearish swing leg on the daily here. So technically on the higher time frame, we are expecting for this swing week low to go. Obviously it doesn't have to, like I've mentioned in the previous video. The market can do whatever it wants. This was pretty clean here. The internal broke the internal structure, broke again, came back, retested, and technically, you know, following the trend we were expecting for this week to go, but it seems like the market could possibly maybe reverse, or it just wanted to sweep this liquidity and, you know, continue going lower or just continue going higher. Who knows? We'll have to see. We're kind of in this crucial place. Maybe it just wants to pull back to the equilibrium of this leg here and then go higher, or it just wants to go lower. Who knows? We'll see. We'll go to the lower time frames to kind of see what's going on here. 4-hour swing is also bearish. This is our 4-hour swing leg, which is the daily internal leg. We are on the internal structure, we are bullish. So there is a little bit of this is where the confusion kind of starts, because we were expecting this to just go, but we had this nice sweep here, like I've mentioned in the previous video, sweep retracement, and it just went out to take this high here as liquidity. Well, what is that? Alrighty, so on the 4-hour, what is going on here? We had a sweep of this buy side. Price goes, kind of does something like this. It does break this, kind of like a change of character. Sweep some liquidity here. I would love for it to go down to the 50% level of this leg. It would make sense to me, but the order flow is still very, very bullish. Like, this might just do this, or it can just, it's already had a little bit of a pullback here. It can shoot higher. So I'm gonna go on the 15 to see what's going on here. Just a quick recap from yesterday. I did give a couple of scenarios on what could have played out here. It was very choppy. There was some news here at 8:30. It got very choppy. I was waiting for either a sweep of these equal lows and then a nice displacement retracement for it to go higher, and it didn't do that prior to London Open. I believe this is still Frankfurt Open here. London Open sweeps this low here, doesn't sweep the previous Asia, but it sweeps this Asia, moves higher, doesn't come back to this fair value gap. I said it in the previous video yesterday that if it gives a nice retracement with a wick, we could look for some longs. It didn't really mitigate this. It had a nice reaction from the 50% level of this leg here. This 50% level held very nicely, and it just started chopping around. Like I've mentioned, the second scenario was these low resistance liquidity is gonna get swept, and then we are gonna get, you know, we're gonna run these equal lows, which it did. I didn't get a trade, which I kind of regret now, but I didn't take this trade here. It came back nicely to the 50% of this leg. We had a lovely trade here as well. Sweeps liquidity, comes back. This is all one leg for me. Goes higher to the 50% level and then just drops. So this is a beautiful trade. Boom, boom, boom. I didn't take it. I don't know why, but yeah, I didn't take it. I did take a loss though yesterday. When I saw this setup play out, I really thought we're gonna go lower here. Nice displacement because of the news. I thought the market will just continue lower. I took a short here with this breaker and this fair value gap. I took a short here. It was not doing much for like 3 hours. It was just, you know, not doing anything. And then I did get stopped out. Technically I didn't get stopped out. I just trading, not trading view. Top step doesn't allow trading overnight, so they just closed my position like somewhere here, if I remember correctly, somewhere here. But yeah, so I took a little bit of a loss. Today we have a little bit of conflicting data because the 4 hour is still bullish. The 15-minute broke structure to the downside, so let me draw it out here. We had this move up, move retracement, move up, and then we broke this structure. We retraced, and technically on the 15 minutes, if it's a pro trend, I am trying to trend the pro trend as it's the higher probability. I want it to go lower. It's kind of swept. It does close a little bit above it here, so it could also be considered as an IBOS, which is an internal break. So this could just do this, retrace. The internal leg could just retrace and then go higher and take out this swing strong. Just following the 4 hour order flow, which is bullish, of course. The 15-minute is bearish. So here is where it gets a bit tricky, and you have to be super careful what you want to do. Kind of thinking of a scenario where I would get in a trade here. Draw it out again. Yeah, this looks good for a short. We are in premium. I've already drew it here. We are in premium. Maybe some sort of a nice displacement here. Nice close. Yeah, the thing is there's no like low resistance liquidity here that we could target. It's just like a V-shaped recovery, which is, you know, always, not always, but a good sign that a reversal could be happening here. So this is where it gets a bit tricky. What I would like to see, what would make me more maybe confident in taking a short, is seeing another move higher, sweeping those equal highs here. Nice displacement down, retracement, and then kind of go lower. So yeah, that's the idea. I know it's a bit not clear, but yeah, that's the markets here. As of right now, we just swept the Asia low here. Let's see what it wants to do. And look at this recovery on the daily. The 4 hours pretty bullish. Daily is technically bearish. 15-minute is technically bearish, but maybe this break of structure was just there to kind of just pull back on the higher time frame. Had these legs. Boom, boom, boom. This is a bit weird. Don't know how to treat this as 2 legs or just 1 leg. Yeah, you have to be very, very cautious here. Okay, cool. I'm not gonna, keep you guys here. Wait, this is a pre-market analysis. If I take a trade, I'll try to record it, and then post it. If I don't, then I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, take care. Bye.